Where is the headquarters of the European Union (EU) located?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The European Union (EU) is headquartered in Brussels, Belgium. It was officially established with the signing of the Maastricht Treaty on November 7, 1991 and came into force on November 1, 1993. The main purpose of the EU is to promote economic and political integration among its member states, fostering cooperation in areas such as trade, security, and common policies. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon for more videos.